Welcome to part 4 of our series, SharePoint, Beyond Document Management. I'm Brian Larson, Chief Creative Officer at Superior Consulting Services. In this video, we're going to deal with the question, what did I do with that? When SharePoint is used as a document management solution, in most cases, we set it up with a folder system that's very similar to the operating system folders that we're used to. This provides a very rigid structure and can still not aid users in finding documents as much as it should. In this demo, we're going to look at using document metadata along with views to create a more flexible solution for managing documents. Document metadata provides business value by capturing additional information to help us classify each document and even retain the reason for its creation. We can then use that metadata in conjunction with views and search to efficiently and flexibly organize documents within SharePoint. Let's go ahead and look at a demo of document metadata and document organization created by SCS consultant Travis Thompson. For this demo, we're going to be looking at two different document libraries within SharePoint. One of them organizes documents in folders. Folders are created first for each of the clients, and then within the client folders, there are folders created for each different document type. This can make it difficult if we want to find all of the documents of a specific type, say invoices, across all of the clients for a given time period. So it does provide some challenges to organizing and retrieving documents. Our second document library does not have any foldering. Documents are simply placed right within the root library. We'll begin working with the document library that does not include folders. The first thing that we're going to do is add a couple of additional metadata items to the All Documents view in this document library. We've added the client and the document type. Next, we're going to create a view of the documents in this document library, making use of those new document items that we added. We're going to create a group by within this list, and that grouping is going to be done on the client. Once we select client here, and then we can go ahead and click OK to save our changes to this view. And now when we look at the documents, we see that they are now grouped by the client as we expected. We can go ahead and create another view. And this view is going to group the documents by the document type. Go ahead and select our group by metadata item here. And once that's selected, we'll go ahead and click OK to create that view. And now we can view the documents and see them grouped by document type. So in this situation, it's very easy to find all of the documents of a particular type, regardless of what client they were created for. So that has things working in our document library without folders. Fortunately, we can do the same thing in the document library with folders. As we did before, we're going to add 2 columns to the default view of the documents in this document library. We're going to add in the client and the document type. So once we've got those in place, we can create our custom views. The first view that we're going to create is going to allow us to view all of the documents without the foldering. So it will ignore what folder the document's in and just show us a list of all of the documents. And we do that through the setting here. We're going to ignore the folders and go ahead and save this view. So now, even though we're working in the document library that does include folders, we see all the documents regardless of what folder they're in. Using this same technique, we can create another new view of the documents in this document library that groups the documents by client, regardless of what folder they might be in. So we go ahead and give that view a name, and then go down to the group by area and specify the metadata item that we're going to use to group by. In this case, that would be the client. And finally, we go down and specify that we want to view the documents without the folders. When we click OK, we can go ahead and view the documents using this new view by client. If you'd like more information about or assistance with SharePoint, please email scs@teamscs.com or visit our website at www.teamscs.com.